All right, I'm gonna get ready to show you guys the watermelon-aid that I'm making. I got this recipe from FullyRawKristina, and I am omitting one thing because I don't have the mint, so I am omitting that. But let me show you what I'm doing. Okay. All right. So we have the watermelon. Okay. And I am putting watermelon in here right now. Okay. So. Alright, so now I'm going to finish putting some more watermelon in here. And now we're going to put some pineapples. Pineapples are rich in fiber. They help regulate your digestion. They're full of calcium and magnesium. They make your bones and your teeth stronger. They contain vitamin A, C. They fight against viruses. It neutralizes acidity in your body. It keeps your gums healthy and strong. Prevents muscular degeneration. It reduces pain of arthritis. And it has beta carotene in it. It improves eyesight. And it contains phosphorus and potassium. So, eat some pineapple, yeah. Let's see. Get it in here. Alright. There. And for some, that part is getting stuck. It's gonna help that along. Okay. Now, next I am going to put some limes in here. Okay, I have 3 limes. Limes, they help to rejuvenate the skin. They improve liver function, reduce stress, assist in detoxifying the body. They regulate bowel movements and promote weight loss. It removes mucus from the body and boosts your immune system. Increases energy and improves digestion. And it lowers blood sugar. Who knows? So, awesome. Okay. Now, I am going to have to, this is a NutriChef juicer. NutriChef juicer. So, now because it's getting so hot, I'm going to have to pour some in here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to start. The last thing that I have to add to this are the beets. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. Lastly, I'm using one beet, okay, one small beet. So beets contain folic acid. If you see it, it's like really hard. It's a fresh beet, okay, it's really hard, and like when you cut it and you touch it, it leaves like the red on your fingers. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and put that in there. That's gonna give us this rich red color, even though it is nice and red already. The beets contain folic acid. They cleanse the blood. They cleanse the colon. They boost the immune system. They have anti-cancer properties. It heals acne. It's a wonderful source of iron. It contains sodium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and phosphorus. It contains vitamin A, C, and niacin. It protects against heart disease. It treats and cures boils and abscesses. And it strengthens the gallbladder and the liver. So that's beets. Fresh beets going in. And you can see the color coming from here. It looks nice. So just trying to let that like run its course, and okay. So I think we are done. So let's go ahead and cut this off. All right, so this is what we have so far. That's our watermelon, pineapple, and limes. Now we're gonna add the beet juice. Okay. Okay. See how red that beet juice is? Okay, so you can see that's all the fibers. So we're just discarding all of that and we just want the juice. Everything is in here. All right, so this is our Watermelon-Aid. See that? It makes a nice big jug. Okay. I would definitely share the link for the juicer. I got it from NutriChef. And now I'm going to pour some in a cup, guys. Okay. And okay, guys, so this is the Watermelon-Aid minus the mint. The only thing that FullyRawKristina put in her recipe that I didn't is the mint, because I didn't have any and I didn't want to use basil. So this is just half of a watermelon, 3 limes, 1 whole fresh pineapple, and what else did I put? Oh, and 1 small beet. Okay, and I juiced it all like that. And oh my goodness, they said it tastes like candy, and it does. It really does. It's really, really good. This is awesome, and it's so healthy for you. While I was doing the recipe, if you look back, I did tell you all the benefits of everything that's in it. Benefits in drinking this yummy stuff. Okay, and the baby is looking at me like I want some, so gonna go get him some too. You guys have a blessed day. I love you guys. You guys are awesome.